वेरिएशंस, हेरिडिटी एंड सेल डिवीजन की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। Which of the following is an example of discontinuous variation? Earlobes. Which of the feature is most likely to help a seal survive in icy cold water? Thick layer of blubber beneath the skin. Which of these statements about the inheritance of a single characteristic is true? One gene comes from the male parent and one from the female parent. Which is of the following is not part of a DNA molecule? Helix. Cell division by mitosis produces cells which have the same number of chromosomes which are genetically the same. Question number 2, true or false? Height and weight are example of continuous variation. True. A normal distribution curve is shaped like a bell. True. Humans inherit acquired variation from their parents. False. Environment आएगा instead of parents. Small animals have a small surface area compared to their volume. False. Large surface area. Meiosis is a process by which sex cells are produced. True. Let's move to question number 3, which is the diagram shows the faces of two parents and their four children. From which parent has Lubna inherited their type? Okay, so Lubna, Rana, her mother. From which parent has Aman inherited their nose shape? From her mother. How many of the children inherited their color from their father? Two. Which children inherited their most changed shape? Wasim, Aman, and Lubna. Lubna has longer hair than Wasim. Explain why this characteristic is not inherited. Because they are acquired variation which will not inherit in next generation. Question number 4. The diagram shows some butterflies. List 3 ways in which the butterflies are alike. Pair of wings, pair of antenna, division of body in 3 parts. List 3 ways in which the butterflies differ from each other. Color, wing, shape, size. Common blue butterflies vary in length. There is a full range from small to large. What type of variation is this? Continuous. Some brimstone butterflies have spots missing from their wings. What type of variation is this? Discontinuous. The peacock butterfly looks like it has eye on its wing. The brimstone butterfly looks like a dead leaf when it lands on a planet. Suggest how these characteristics might help the butterflies to survive. The eye factor make butterfly look larger and more dangerous to its predator. The dead leaf effect provides a camouflage which helps brimstone to hide from enemies. Question number 5. Look at the drawing of a salmon below. Explain how each adaptation helped the fish move easily through the water. For example, fins help to steer the fish in the right direction. So, large mouth to capture prey, gills to breathe in water, streamlined body for movement in water. Okay. Some salmon have longer tails than others. What kind of variation is tail length in salmon? Continuous variation. Suggest how a salmon with a long tail might be better able to survive than one with a short tail. This helps to the fish to move more efficiently through the water. At different times in their life cycle, salmon move from fresh water to salt water and back again. Suggest how the salmon might be adapted to deal with these changes in the environment. Salmon born in fresh water migrate to ocean to sprint adult, then return back to the lay eggs. Question number 6 is the diagram shows a single unit from a DNA molecule. There are thousands of units in a complete DNA molecule. What is the name of this unit? Nucleotide. Deoxyribose is classified as pentose sugar. Suggest what this might be. Because it has 5 carbons in it. This unit may contain one of 4 different organic bases. These are normally represented by their initial letters A, T, C, and G. What do these letters stand for? A for adenine, T for thymine, C for cytosine, and G for guanine. So, question number 7 is the statements below describe each of 4 stages in the mitosis. Chromosomes line up across the center of the cell. Metaphase. Cytoplasm and cell membrane divide to form 2 identical cells. Telophase. One set of chromosome is pulled to each end of the cell. Anaphase. Chromosome becomes shorter and faster. DNA replicates. Prophase. Write the statements in the correct order. 4, 1, 3, 2. During mitosis, a DNA molecule must replicate. What does replicate mean? To duplicate. Why is it necessary for a DNA molecule to replicate? So, 2 new daughter cells must contain same genetic information or DNA as the parent cell. Suggest where in the body of young child mitosis might be happening most. Body cells. In plants, mitosis only takes place for at the tips of growing roots and shoots. Just a reason for this, for growth of roots and shoots. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें हमने चैप्टर नंबर 3 वेरिएशन, हेरिडिटी एंड सेल डिवीजन की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व की है। आई होप कि आपको ये पूरा चैप्टर अच्छी तरह से समझ आ गया होगा। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक, शेयर और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा। हमें दें इजाज़त, अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।